Hello everybody. Well, it's been a little bit, just getting over a back injury and being able to walk again. But I received let's talk about something that came a few weeks ago. I ordered, well, I don't want to say ordered, Nibs at Walnut and Steel. Came across a whole bunch of knives because he's becoming a big knife collector now. He came across a few at a store. I think it was a secondhand store, maybe. And he had a whole bunch of duplicates of vintage knives. I'm not a super knife expert, so I can't tell you who and where they all came from. I believe they're American made in New York, I believe. But yeah, it's a Camus, I believe. I can't get it to focus. Camco. There we go. There we go. There we go. But we're going to use one of these knives that I got from Nibs. I ordered, I liked this one because I like this little slender shape. And it has scissors, which are kind of nifty if you have to nip something like a torn cuticle or something. But we have this knife here. We're going to use it to open this box that I also received from Nibs. Let's see what's in it. Looks like a letter. Let's see what it says before I show everybody. Okay. We got some stickers. And we got a note here. Invite me to the challenge. Awesome. And we will definitely contribute to the challenge. Neat. Let's see what's in there. Oh yeah, I watch him shoot these all the time. I think Indiana Airgun got him started shooting these. These will be fun. I've never actually even owned a paintball. I have once or twice when I was younger, went shooting paintballs, but never really got into it. But this will be neat. I want to see how they splatter. What else we got in here, I wonder? I think this is a whistle. I think it is. It is a whistle. I don't want to blow the speaker up on my phone. Now, this is cool. I can use this a lot. That is cool. I like that. The whistle too. Okay. Awesome. I love shirts. I'm always wearing them out. And I never have a proper shirt to wear when I'm videotaping. Looks like I do now. Thanks. Yes. Thank you. I have been looking for the link to get these because I've been seeing Nibs and a few other people use these things. This will definitely put my can crushing to the next level because I actually do shoot a lot of cans, a lot. Maybe not as much as Nibs, but I shoot a lot. And a knife. I like I said, I'm more of this type of a knife person, as in using it all the time, because I use them for work, you know, and I use them every way you shouldn't use them, in not always a cutting fashion. And but yeah, this is awesome. I'll have to I like that it folds in. I like that, and I like the clip. I like the clip too. Uh-oh. These right here. These right here. Those are, you know, this is like, hang this on the wall and save it. Don't want to shoot a whole bunch. I've been trying to collect these every time I come across them, but I think Nibs has the hookup on them. Whoa! That was loud. Probably me too. I seen him showing these too, these targets. What do I got here? Anything here? Probably doesn't help if you're not. All right, we're gonna try these out here in a few minutes. I'll slap a couple stickers on them, and we will make some steel squeal. Oh, that's just shipping label stuff. Wow. Thank you, Nibs. I am going to put one of these pieces of steel out and probably hit it right here with these. I'll probably use these guns right here on the table, actually. They'll be perfect. I'm going to go do that now. And, well, yeah, let's see. Let's check that out. These are cool. They're not, I mean, I thought they were like a hard plastic, but they're like flexible, kind of. Which is probably good if you're going to be shooting at them. This one's a little less flexible. We'll be using this out there on the range to prove how tight my groups are. Oh, I wonder what colors these splat out, if they're actually the color that they are. Huh. We're going to try them out. All right, let me put this stuff on the range. Well, not all the stuff, just the steel probably start with. Thanks again, Nibs, and yeah, let's get to make some steel ring. Hello, everybody. Well, today we got a gift in the mail. Well, we opened it today. We got it a couple days ago, but the back's been out. But it looks like it's from Nibs at Walnut and Steel. It's the Pay It Forward Challenge. And I am more than willing to pay it forward. And I am super happy for all the different stuff that he just sent to me. The shirt, I will wear it a lot. We got the metal target here hanging. I put on a couple stickers, splatterbursts. We got 3 of the little paintballs here. I think I can hit them at 25 yards. We're going to use this, the Ryrock HW30S in 177, and the American Classic, the Crossman 1377, also in 177. They're both, for the most part, they're pretty straight shooters, just if I can do my part. There's a little bit of wind out here, not a lot. But yeah, let's ring some steel and splatter some paintballs. Let's do it. I'm going to zoom you guys in, and then I'm going to the back porch. So it'll be 25 yards for me, and get y'all zoomed in there nicely. Here we go. All right, let's do it. Let me head to the porch. We are going to be shooting, let's see, I can't remember what pellets I have out here. They're not pellet picky, either one of them. But we're definitely going to start with the rifle. H&N Field Trophy Target, 8 grain. That's what we're shooting out of the HW30. All right, everybody. Well, we can't start it off without a pating. So let's pating. Let me turn my focus up a little bit. Zoom. Well, I can already tell you it's shooting lower than where I'm aiming, because I am aiming at the bullseye, and it's hitting lower. Let me shoot a couple more. All right. I have 3 more pellets left in this tin, or otherwise I'll have to get out another 10 of them. So let's go for that first paintball, the one closest to the corner edge, to the right. Good. I would have been a bummer to miss. It's always a bummer to miss, but it happens a lot. It's just part of the gig. All right. It's splattered yellow goo all over it over there. All right, let's go to the next one. It is right there in the middle. Oh. All right. One more time here. Let's try it. Middle one. I seen it. It was just over the top of it. That was a shame. I'm going to cry. Thankfully, I have another 10 of pellets here. So we will continue with the same pellet. All right. Yes! I can see why Nibs likes this. Wonder how much paintballs are. Let's go for the next one. Oh, just missed it. I really appreciate Nibs sending this stuff. Let's hit the steel again and see where we're shooting. The same for the upper target on the piece of steel. Let's go back to that paintball. Oh, I seen the pellet just graze over the top of it. I'm surprised it didn't hit it, move it. It was close. I see why Nibs doesn't want to stop shooting when one of them becomes a resistant. I threw that shot horribly. I seen that one not go where it was supposed to. Let's hit the steel again. Upper target of the steel target. As I've shot this a few times, it's kind of warmed up here. It's actually dieseling, this HW30. It's brand new. So it's smoking a little bit. Let's go back to the paintball. If only it would shoot at the exact same spot as it does on the steel. Well, I moved it. I guess it doesn't get any closer to that than spinning it around like a top. All right, let's try it again now. Well, I don't know if I actually hit it or if I just scared it off of there. Let's ring this still one more time and call it goods. And I'm gonna probably set up another one of those steel targets that's slightly closer for the pistol. As you probably can't hear the steel down there that much because you're up here with me, but it is making noise. And we're gonna stop at this one right here. Thanks for everybody who stayed through the whole video and watched. Yeah, everybody, shoot straight and keep cool and buy pellets. And maybe you'll be in the Pay It Forward challenge. Talk to you later. Bye.